We are in Ratawali Coffee Farm. It's managed by Degayo Coffee, and got no cherry here. Already end of crop, but maybe we have to wait until October. We can come back. We can see the flower, the coffee flower, cherry flower, coffee tea flower is begin, and then already begins. So until I think October, we will have a good cherry. And here is they're called natura process. Natura means it's natural, but it's pronounced in Bahasa. So here is all is natura process. The beans is dry, like between about how many days? Most
About 1 month.
1 month. 1 month for slowly dry. You can see the tree. Arabica coffee tree is not high. It's about 5 feet, and then longer, maybe 6 feet, because they are for easy cherry pickup. Here, pick up like this. And also you can see they plant a lot of tree here. Why? Because keep this area warm, not too hot. So the tree will be good. So you can see all the Arabica tree is not high, and around here got another long tree. This is why they are plant like this. This is for what process?
Ini nggak bagus nih.
Ah.
Ini tidak pakai.
Tidak pakai?
Tidak. Ini yang pakai.
Ini yang pakai.
Ya, nampak cantik.
This is called wash process, because this is already selected out. When the floating beans is the mean not good, then this going down beans will be heavy and then good. This is called wash process. Then this you can see this is wash process Ratawali beans. Here is Tanah Kayo hillside. You can see beautiful view, and down there is Takinyon town and lake, Takinyon lake, and south around mountain, beautiful. A lot of mountain there, all is plant Arabica coffee beans. Is called Ratawali coffee. This hill is Ratawali, and then over there we have to cross that mountain, Atonitanwali. They are Degayo coffee. They are those specialty coffee valley. We are going now. This is Atolintang Valley by Degayo. So you can see a lot here got a greenhouse. Why they are built a greenhouse? Because avoid the raining. Because during the drying, if you don't have the greenhouse, they want to during rain. Before rain, they have to collect to inside, and then after rain, have to drying again. This is a natural drying at the greenhouse. This is a honey processed coffee at greenhouse with a coffee bed. You can see got many beans here. This natural coffee bean after dry. Like this one, this is honey process. Like this one, this is feel like jackfruit, sweet taste. It's ready for parchment and grating. This is a full wash.
Green bean.
Green bean. This is a full wash with parchment. Wash. This is green bean full wash after remove the parchment.
See, this coffee bean is ready to grating. Right, they are smaller and then bigger until smaller.
The coffee bean is after sorting got screen size bigger coffee bean and small screen. Then ready for for great rating. Means the bad quality beans is selected out. You can see here, this is like not good coffee. So all selected out. This is 7 select. Now we are start doing cupping. What we do is now is test the dry aroma. This is wet aromas testing. Oh, it's fresh. It's new crop coffee beans.